Salvete omnes. In this lesson, we will take a different approach than before. We will start with the story, because at this stage you will probably be able to understand most of the new words without help, but I will add some explanations along the way. Hic est Maximus, puer est. Hic puer discipulus est. Maximus est discipulus bonus. Haec est Valentina, puella est. Haec puella quoque discipula est. Valentina est discipula bona. Hic sunt Maximus et Valentina. Hic est Maximus. Maximus est frāter Valentinae. Haec est Valentina. Valentina est soror Maximi. Okay, hopefully you understood frāter and soror. These are contained in the words fraternity and sorority. And we learned before bene, which means well, the adverb form of good. So bonus and bona mean good. The other thing we have to notice is that hic is completely different from hic. Hic means here. It's an adverb that doesn't ever change form. Hic and haec, on the other hand, are demonstrative pronouns that have to decline. These can mean this or these, but they refer to things near the speaker. There are other words that refer to things near the listener, and yet more words that refer to things far away from both, and they all have to match gender. So when we speak about masculine nouns, we have to use hic, and when we speak about feminine nouns, we have to use haec. There's also a neutral version, hoc, which can also be used to refer to things in general. For example, what does this mean? Hoc edite. Eat this, you guys. And we also use it when we don't know the gender. Quid hoc? What is this? Hopefully you also noticed the genitive form in the two sentences. Maximus est frāter Valentinae. Valentina est soror Maximi. So this means Maximus is the brother of Valentina, or just Maximus is Valentina's brother. And likewise for the second sentence. Let's continue with the story. Quis est haec? Haec femina est mater. Octavia est. Maximus est filius Octaviae. Valentina est filia Octaviae. Octavia mater Maximi et Valentinae est. Mater filium et filiam amat. Pater Maximi est Augustus. Augustus fortis est. Agricola est et in agro laborat. Maximus patri similis est. Valentina matri similis est. Octavia pulchra est. Ergo Valentina quoque pulchra est. Maximus dicit, soror mea pulchra est, et mater mea quoque pulchra est. Did you understand fortis? To fortify something is to strengthen its defenses. Also, one's forte is one's strong point. This word means strong, and similis means is similar. So as you can see, we need to use the dative case to say what the subject is similar to. Patri and matri are the dative forms of pater and mater, which are third declension nouns. Remember, we use the dative form when we say to whom we give something, and here it's to whom one is similar. And where does a farmer work? On the farm or in the field. So this is what in agro means. Let's see now if you can remember the new words. Try to say, this is my brother, he is strong. Hic frāter meus est, fortis est. Now say, I look like my father, or alternatively say, I look like my mother. Patri similis sum, or matri similis sum. Try to say now, this is Valentina's brother. Hic frāter Valentinae est. And now, this is Maximus's sister. Haec soror Maximi est. And do you remember, here be dragons? Hic sunt dracones. And let's recall the word for good. How do we say, Maximus is a good boy? Maximus puer est. And what was the word for woman? It's almost exactly the same as a related English word. Say, you are a good woman. Femina bona est. Let me know if you like this new format, and be sure to check out the next lesson where we'll start to tackle the past tense. See you then! On Patreon, each story is consolidated in a single downloadable audio file, together with a full transcript and English translation. The example sentences used in each lesson are also included. There's a link below. Gratias!